Hi, I'm Karen Meyer-Berthel with Ampersand Art Supply. Today we're going to seal hardboard using GAC 100, a product by Golden Artist Colors. As you can see, this is a brand new hardboard, and here's my GAC 100. It's a multi-purpose acrylic polymer medium, so it's wonderful for sealing. Swirl your container. Do not shake, as this will cause air bubbles, and use a soft, flat brush to apply the GAC 100. The sealant is meant to contain the wood fibers to prevent any damage from humidity, pollutants, or temperature. This also is the good first step in preventing support-induced discoloration in your work. Cover the surface entirely, including the cradles. For even more protection, coat the inside of your cradle as well. Then allow the panel to dry. Once it's fully dry, apply a second coat, again covering the cradled edges. If you're planning on finishing the cradled edges in another fashion, there's no need to coat them at this time. You could simply cover them with painter's tape to prevent any GAC from appearing on them. After 2 coats, your panel is sealed. Then you can coat the inside of the panel with 2 or 3 coats. Note that this is only sealing the panel. This is not priming the panel, getting it ready to accept paint. Once this is coated, allow your panel to dry thoroughly and apply a second coat. And then your panel is ready to prime.